I find it so interesting that people, they manage to stay in situations they hate their entire life. Sis, you are the author of your story. Your thoughts are the pen. Write wisely. Let's say, for example, you have a job that you hate. You have a boss that you can't stand, or you're in a corporate workspace where people, you just can't stand anyone there. Sis, here's how to fix with that. Change your focus. When you change your focus, you change your point of attraction. When you change your point of attraction, you're gonna start bringing into your life new experiences, the ideal ones. Because when you're vibrating at a certain place, for example, like, you're always annoyed. To always be annoyed is to always bring more things that will annoy you. If you are vibrating at this low rate, you say, I'm so annoyed, I'm gonna focus on what I don't like, I'm gonna focus on what I don't like, and I really hate you, so I'm gonna focus about you, and I'm gonna focus on all the things I hate about you. That will not improve a thing. You have to get yourself into a good mood by whatever means necessary. If that means the weed, it means the weed. Honestly, I love. But it's so important to know that to change any situation in your life, you must change your point of attraction for that subject. Let's say you have a kid that won't stop wetting the bed. And every morning you go to him and you, oh, God damn, you did it again. Get up and go in the shower. That kid's gonna feel bad and he's gonna respond in response to your vibration, which is very negative. The only way to get this kid to stop and start doing what you want is to start changing a point of attraction, you know? Go in there and be like, oh, it's all a part of growing up. It's all right. I just want you to be happy. I just want you to be comfortable. The kid's gonna be like, oh damn. Okay. He's gonna feel good about himself. He's gonna want to do that. Next thing you know, the problem will stop. On God, on Gordy, change your thoughts. You change your point of attraction. When you change your point of attraction, you're literally changing what's coming into your life. You are the author of your own story. Your thoughts are the pen. Write wisely.